Hey everyone, we are here today with something a little bit different than the FPC or the response or whatnot. I have a Mossberg chainsaw, Mossberg 500 chainsaw. I've had this gun nearly 14 years. I think I've ran it maybe 50 rounds. It's just been sitting in the corner. We're going to take it apart today. For those of you that had the Mossberg 500, 590s, or even 800 series, they virtually take apart the same way. But this is the 500, and that's what we're going to concentrate on. First thing we'll do, we're going to remove the magazine cap here, because this actually holds your barrel on. Put that to the side, and then we can flip it over, and then pull the barrel straight out. This is the heavy barrel, so we'll get to that in a little bit. Next thing you want to do is remove the trigger assembly. But on mine, the pistol grip covers part of the trigger assembly right here, so it won't come out. I actually have to get a 1/4-inch hex key and remove the pistol grip. Let me get that done. This gun has not been apart in 14 years, so we're all going to see it together. And the pistol grip comes out. There's nothing behind it to worry about. So one of the things on this trigger group or assembly is there's a pin right here. You can see it right there. These usually push out fairly easy, just like that. Grab your pan. Looks like the AR type trigger pans, just a little bigger. And then push that through. You will grab the rear of the trigger assembly straight up and out. That is it. That's your entire trigger assembly right there. If you want to work it, make sure your finger's in front of it. That way that hammer doesn't go forward. And we'll clean that out. And then inside here, kind of hard to see, they will fall freely, are these shelf stops. There's two of them. There's a right and a left. Let me get it out of there. They fall fairly easy. One that is pretty much flat except for the curve here, that will go on the non-ejection port side. Then the one that has this big nub on it and that little pivot pin, that'll go on the ejection port side. As right here, you can see the pinhole. So the next thing you want to do is you can actually grab your fore-end, pull it straight out, put it to the side, and then inside here, one thing I did not tell you, your safety must be in the engaged position for this to work easily. Inside here, you got this little slide plate. You'll line it up with these cutouts right here and it will come straight out with ease. Put it to the side and then your bolt, which is right here, will push right out the front. There's your entire bolt. Fairly clean. And last but not least, your little shell ramp right here. You can grab it, pull it up. It's actually in these two areas right here. You'll just take it, squeeze it in, pull it right out. Put that to the side. You have a fully field strip Mossberg 500, 590, or even the 835. So there you go. And that's fully field stripped right there. So any questions, let me know. A little bit later when I get the parts in, we're going to change out the safety to an enhanced one. And I'm going to change out the magazine plug to a different one. And we'll show you that when I get those parts. But there you go. We'll do part 2 of the cleaning and oiling, and then we'll do a part 3 showing you how to put all this back together, which can be a little tricky if you don't pay attention.